What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Kai, and I'm back with another video. Now, today is a good video. You know, it's season 9, couple weeks. We got 20 days. I think 20 days till 2K27 come out. So I got a build for y'all boys to make. You know, if y'all have some extra VC like I did, I made this build literally last night on stream. So last night on stream, made the build, add some gameplay for y'all boys today. Y'all gonna like the build. So stay in tune. Watch the full video. Build is at the end, but watch the full video of how I break the build down and how I cook up on the build. Further ado, make sure you hit that like, that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Nah, bro. I'm gonna gas, take off. We're gonna let the boys pass me. It's all good, bro. He's taking twos. We good. Good shot, boy. Bro, this dude quit the game? Oh my god, bro. I'm hot. Fish shop and roll. Get with me. Get with me. I'm catching vibes from silly. Rob me. Give me that, nigga. Oh my god. I don't want to talk with a bad bitch. Say, boy. Bro, these AIs are fucking shit, bro. Like, what I say, nigga, I said pass the ball, teammate. What the fuck am I doing, dumbass? Hey, nigga, oh my god. Nah, 2-2. Hold on to it, bro. Don't take it up immediately, bro. He missed. Come on board. Bro, this nigga cannot guard me, bro. Please switch it up, bro. Coach, he can't guard me, bro. Yep. Go right. Come on, go right. Oh, he passed. It's even better. Come on. It's even better. That's even better. Yeah, come on. Come on, bro. Stay on him. Stay on purple. Stay on purple, too. Don't help. It's the AI. Oh, he tweaked. Why is he not giving the big the ball? Come on, boy. I see you, boy. I see you, boy. That's an IQ play right there, boy. Alright, back this way. Yep. Yeah, don't jump, boy. Don't jump. Don't jump. Oh my god, this nigga's falling on the ground. Get this nigga off me, bro. You can't fucking hold me, nigga. Yep, go this way, yep. Step back, yep. Curry slide back this way, yep. Back this way, yep. That way, yep. Yeah, give me that shit, nigga. I told you. You're fucking shit, bro. Shit, nigga, step the fuck up, bro. Frying these niggas, bro. Well, that was my lane, too, but I didn't reach. Yep, pump fake. Kirby slide. Yep, back this way. Back that way. Come on, bro. No, why would the AI help, bro? Oh my god, get this nigga off me, bro. This nigga doing the splits. This nigga doing splits, bro. Yep, back this way, yep. And then back the other way, yep. Keep going, yep. Yep. Come on, bro. I'm here. Pass it, bro. Post fade or post move, yep. Good defense, boy. That's great fucking defense. Oh, grab it, teammate, grab it. Oh, that's all. Grab it, grab it. Good shit, boy. Oh my god, game time. Get these niggas off the court, bro. Oh my fucking god. Bake this nigga, bro. I'm driving not ready for
Don't worry about it with that 98 perimeter.
Boy, if you don't. Hey, man. Get into it, bro. Hope I had a good third. Hands. It's all good. Take it, boy. Take it. Run the point. Go backdoor pump fake. Pump fake on that, too. Pump fake on that. Not on me, nigga. Oh, he grabbed that? Oh my god. And it makes me fade. 2K. And the shit just makes me fade, bro. Like. That's only one miss game. Good shot, boy. Give me one pop. Let's go, boy. Press on that, bro. Yeah, press that, yep. Give me that shit, nigga.
Huh?
What? You just did this shit, bro. They just tapping the ball in, bro. What the fuck? No, we don't shoot those, nigga. Oh my god. Shoot that. That's a shot. All right, bro. This game's on my dick, bro. That's mine though. That's on me, bro. I'm gonna knock down next ones.
Great. That's it. Bro, why is Louis playing?
No way you missing layups, gang. Oh. Fixing my wire, man. Come on, let's get 3 stops. Come on. Oh, come on, it's one. Come on. Good D, come on, grab him. Give me one, boy, come on. Come on. You back in this, 1 point. Come on, one more stop. All right, keep giving him the ball. Stop him. He's scared now. He's scared. Step up, yep. Hands up. Don't jump, boy. That's a good D. Come on. Great defense. boy. Come on.
Man, we selling, gang.
Oh, they're selling. Come on.
Man, that's crazy.
Oh my God. He's stumbling. Come on, two. Come on. Shot, boy. Shot, boy. Shot, boy. Oh my God. Come on. Comeback is real. Pressure, pressure, pressure. That's a good pass. That's a great pass. That's a great. I had two. That's a great pass. Right, bro. No, 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 no. Right here, two. Right here, two. I'm right in front of you, bro. Let me see that, boy. Let me see that. I take. Good take, boy. No, commit. Yep, commit. I'm just helping off that. I'm just helping off that. Just stay on that. Great D. Just don't switch. Off that, I'm gonna help, and then we'll go right back and watch that lane, boy. Yep, yep. Nah, don't help. Tube. Stay corner. Stay corner. Stay corner. Tube, stay corner. Yo, Tube, don't help. Don't help, bro. Don't help. Stay corner. Right here, gang. Right here. Let me see that. Wide. Look. Oh my gosh. Come on, boy. GG's, boy. GG's, bro. That's a good ass game, bro. Hey, man. That's what 2K do, bro. If you don't spark them shots in the corner game. Come here. Yep. It is, boy. Rebound. Oh my God. Come on, two. Come on, two.
That's crazy. My bad.
Yep, snatch back. Yep, pull that way. Snatch. Yep. Stay low. Yep. Rare game, rare. Oh, my meter went down, bro. Like, my meter went down from nothing. Oh, wrong pass. Come on. Yo. Oh my God, no way. Why are we diving? Why are you jumping, gang? Board. Oh my God, there's no way, bro. We gotta keep proper passing, bro. We selling the pass right there.
Oh shit. Okay. Try to get him shot there. Right. Probably big tail. Oh yeah. I don't need no spray. I don't need no. Oh, I gotta work.
Let's go. Oh, two. We had to just finish that. Jonathan, yep. We tied, bro. That's what we want. We tied. Come on. Yeah, that's what I want. Take them twos, gang. Come on. There it is, boy. Come on. Give me that. Come on, boy. Come on. Yo, two. We forget me, bro. Go to the corner, bro. Two. Go to the corner. Bro, why is my meter going all the way the fuck down, bro? Nope, not on me, nigga. There it is. Come on, boy. Give me a three.
Hey, stop showing. Stop showing. Good shit.
I was waiting for you to shoot that. Good shot, boy. I'm right here.
Hey, watch. Go back yours, yeah. He's good. Keep rotating. Why am I keep back to the pro?
Rebound. Come on. Corner. Good pass, boy. Come on.
It's good. It's good.
That's mine. Oh my God, 2K. Still here. Come on. That's a good ass pass, boy. Good ass pass, boy. Right. No screens. I mean, no screens. Watch out, Jonathan. Watch out. Yo, Tube, get yours. Yep. Still here, yep. Still here, though. Oh, Tube, stay up, bro. Let me see the ball. Let me see. I got it. Go to the corners.
Watch corner.
Oh my God! Why we coming in? Step up. Oh, we don't be jumping.
Oh shit, we got
Hands. 2 seconds. Come on. Come on, bro. Tell me. Got that defense though. Come on. Oh, Jonathan. Oh no, Tube. Yo, Tube. Look up, bro. That's mine, nigga. 2K. Yo, this game is shit, bro. Come on. This game, bro. Like, that's a lane. Oh my God, bro. Tube, you gotta look up, bro.
What stop? Hey, watch corner. I'm there. Oh, shit.
Right here. Jonathan! Let's go! Good shit, boy. Good shit.
Yes, sir. Nah, fuck that. Hey, I'm at it.
Nah, GG, boys. GG, boys. Hey, GG, boys. Alright, so as the screen right here, make sure you guys pause the screen. So as you guys can copy, 6'7", 6'10", wingspan, 208 pounds. Copy, you know, what I got here. You know, you can just change whatever what's your preference to change. But the build name I got is a physical 3-and-D cleaner. We got shades of Jimmy Butler, Kobe, and Eddie Jones. And as you guys can see, these are the cap riggers I put on for this build. So I have a 98 perimeter defense, 88 ball handle, 82 speed with ball. I have an 86 and an 89 driving dunk, and I have an 85 strength to give me gold and movable forcer. And see, I'm going through the animations, but y'all can copy, you know, pause the screen, copy what I got, or if you ever, what's your preference? Like I said, it's up your preference to get whatever you want in the build. So, but that is it for today's video. If you're new, if you're old, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It's your boy Kai. Peep the names though. Peep the names of the build. But it's your boy Kai. I'll see y'all next video. Take care and peace.